everyone, and welcome back to English Unplugged. I'm Emily, and I'm so thrilled to see you today.
And I'm Mark. Today, we're talking about English for job interviews.
Yes, speaking English in a job interview helps you show your skills and get your dream job.
It's super useful and fun to learn. Are you ready, everyone?
Let's dive in. Why is English for job interviews important? It helps you talk about your job, skills, and goals clearly. You can impress your interviewer.
Right. Using simple English makes you sound confident and professional. It's great for any job, like teacher, chef, or nurse.
Today, we'll share easy phrases and tips to help you shine in a job interview. It's simpler than you think. Let's get started.
Okay, Emily, how do we start talking in a job interview?
Great question, Mark. First, introduce yourself. Say, "Hello, I'm Emily. I'm a teacher." Keep it simple.
That's easy. I say, "Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a chef." Just your name and job.
Yes, let's try it, everyone. Pause the video and say your name and job in English. For example, I'm Anna. I'm a nurse. Say it aloud now.
Nice. Next, talk about what you do in your job. I say, I cook meals in a restaurant. I make desserts.
Good one. As a teacher, I say, I teach English. I help students learn. Use simple verbs like teach, cook, or help.
Right. If you're a nurse, you can say, I help patients. I check their health.
Or if you're a driver, say, I drive a bus. I take people to work.
A waiter might say, I serve food. I talk to customers.
A shop assistant might say, I sell clothes. I help people find sizes.
Or an engineer might say, I design machines. I solve problems.
Everyone, pause and say one thing you do in your job or school. For example, I study math. Try it now. Awesome. Another tip is to talk about your skills. I say, I'm good at cooking. I work fast.
I say, I'm good at explaining things. I'm patient. Skills show why you're great for the job.
A cashier might say, I'm good at counting money. I'm friendly.
An office worker might say, I'm good at using computers. I'm organized.
A waiter might say, I'm good at talking to people. I'm polite.
An engineer might say, I'm good at math. I'm creative.
Or a nurse might say, I'm good at caring for people. I'm calm. Everyone, pause and say one skill you have in English. For example, I'm good at helping people. Say it now. Great! Now, let's talk about your experience. I say, I worked in a cafe for 2 years. I learned to make coffee.
Nice. I say, I taught in a school for 1 year. I planned lessons. Experience shows you know your job.
A driver can say, I drove a taxi for 3 years. I know the city.
A nurse might say, I worked in a hospital. I cared for patients.
A shop assistant might say, I worked in a store for 1 year. I helped customers.
An engineer might say, I worked on a project. I built a bridge.
Or a waiter might say, I worked in a cafe. I served food. Everyone, pause and say one experience in English. For example, I studied English for 1 year. Try it now.
Perfect. Another tip is to talk about why you want the job. I say, I want this job because I love cooking for people.
Good one. I say, I want this job because I enjoy teaching. Use because to explain.
A cashier might say, I want this job because I like helping customers.
An office worker might say, I want this job because I'm good at planning.
A waiter might say, I want this job because I enjoy serving people.
An engineer might say, I want this job because I love designing things.
Or a driver might say, I want this job because I like driving. Everyone pause and say why you want a job in English. For example, I want this job because it's fun. Say it now.
Nice! Another tip is to talk about your future goals. I say, I want to own a restaurant one day.
That's exciting. I say I want to teach English online. Goals show you're motivated.
A nurse might say, I want to be a head nurse.
A driver might say, I want to drive big trucks.
A shop assistant might say, I want to be a store manager.
An engineer might say, I want to build tall buildings.
Or a cashier might say, I want to work in a big store. Everyone, pause and say one goal in English. For example, I want to be a doctor. Try it now.
Great! Another tip is to answer questions clearly. If they ask, why are you good for this job? I say, I'm good for this job because I work hard and love cooking.
Perfect. I say, I'm good for this job because I'm patient and good at teaching. Keep it simple.
A cashier might say, I'm good for this job because I'm fast and friendly.
An office worker might say, I'm good for this job because I'm organized and know computers.
A waiter might say, I'm good for this job because I'm polite and quick.
A nurse might say, I'm good for this job because I care about people.
Or an engineer might say, I'm good for this job because I solve problems well.
Everyone, pause and answer, why are you good for this job? For example, I'm good because I work hard. Say it now. Awesome! Let's talk about tools you use. I say, I use a knife and an oven in my job.
Good one. I say I use a computer and books in my job. Tools make your job clear. A nurse might say, I use a thermometer and bandages.
A driver might say, I use a steering wheel and a map.
A shop assistant might say, I use a cash register and a scanner.
An engineer might say, I use a computer and a calculator.
Or a waiter might say, I use a tray and a notepad. Everyone, pause and say one tool you use in English. For example, I use a pen. Try it now.
Nice! Another tip is to talk about your workplace. I say, I work in a restaurant. It's busy and fun.
I say, I work in a classroom. It's quiet and bright. It helps the interviewer picture your job.
A cashier might say, I work in a store. It's crowded.
An office worker might say, I work in an office. It's clean and modern.
A waiter might say, I work in a cafe. It's friendly.
A nurse might say, I work in a hospital. It's busy.
Or an engineer might say, I work in an office. It's quiet. Everyone, pause and say where you work or study in English. For example, I study in a classroom. Say it aloud. Great! These tips help you sound natural and confident in a job interview. Keep practicing, everyone.
Now, let's learn some new words for job interviews. We'll share 8 words today. Ready, Emily?
Ready. The first word is skill. It means something you're good at. For example, my skill is teaching.
Nice. The second word is experience. It means work you did before. Like, I have experience as a chef.
Good one. The third word is interview. It means a meeting to talk about a job. For example, I have an interview tomorrow.
Perfect. The fourth word is confident. It means feeling sure about yourself. Like, I feel confident in English.
Great. The fifth word is team. It means people you work with. For example, I work in a team with nurses.
The sixth word is goal. It means something you want in the future. Like, my goal is to be a manager.
Nice. The seventh word is strength. It means something you do well. For example, my strength is helping people.
And the last word is prepare. It means to get ready. Like, I prepare for my interview.
Awesome. Let's repeat them, everyone. Pause and say, skill, experience, interview, confident, team, goal, strength, prepare. Say them aloud.
Talking in a job interview is special. It shows who you are and what you can do.
Yes, when you speak English in an interview, you share your skills and dreams with the world.
Every word you say makes you stronger. Keep practicing and you'll get your dream job.
Well said, Mark. Every step you take helps you shine in English. Now, let's learn how to ask questions in an interview. Mark, what's a good question?
You can say, "What does this job do every day?" It shows you're interested.
Or, what skills are important for this job? It's a great way to learn more.
Another one is, "Can you tell me about the team?" It shows you care about coworkers.
Let's practice. Everyone, pause and say, what does this job do every day? Say it aloud 3 times.
And try this one. What skills are important for this job? Say it aloud now.
Great job. Ask these questions in an interview. It makes you sound smart and curious.
Wow, Emily, we learned so much. For a job interview, say your job, skills, experience, and goals.
And use our vocabulary: skill, experience, interview, confident, team, goal, strength, prepare. Practice every day.
Start small, like saying, "I'm good at my job." It helps you shine in English.
Thank you for joining English Unplugged. Keep practicing and you'll ace your interview.
Please like, subscribe, and comment. What job do you want?
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, and keep learning.